Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door.
We're gonna keep it low-key, keep it soft.
Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before.
Happy in your company with no emotion.
All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her